inner monkey explodes. And when their inner monkey explodes, the first thing they will say is, "Wonya santini, wonya kani, woya huneni, woya nzimani, woya teni." Their inner monkey, it only shows up when you question them. Inti, the political party MPP, their inner monkey is what I have been exposing for the past 8 years. And they cannot sleep because I'm around and I am the zookeeper. I am keeping their inner monkey. I have the antidote to their inner monkey. So when I touch their inner monkey, they get angry and they start to do what? Say things. Now, I want to address something. Team, stay with me. About you a bit to PeaceFM. And matter so I bomb din. Wan bomb din free the noon. But me a santini ba, me a uneni ba, me papa yam fantini a minino wa santimemu. I want to stress on that. Me ma me free denu, me a uneni. Me a igbenia uneni akwara me free water region. Me ma me free denu. And I am proud. Me papa yam fantini or ya desye. And a minini wa santimemu. I'm a tia santikasa. Udi bumi ba me tia siye. Udi di matema metum ye di watemu bi. Inti I am versatile. Me tia no. Me ma obi entina ho enkan someone to me so. I will not allow that. Especially when I see, say, minimum. Now, I didn't really know. Me, I know sometimes people, when they get close to me, they get to say, and I say, we wouldn't know. Me, I don't know people. Because I'm out for business and you're my business. Me who get away now or come as some minimum da. And I'm going to be very honest. In fact, I had to make my team find and then make me write the name down because minimum no. You see, Oyejmo PeaceFM, your friend Nana Yakunedu. This is the first time I'm hearing a name like this on any airwaves. Minimum da. And I don't think Obawe Obabia Sebio or Chamia Kwameteha in anything. But mete say Odemakotna PeaceFM. In summer a baya a ma MPP. Emma you ane mrantiam wabia. Omuka se omucha president kon. Omuni Ghana military phobia shashahu. Omubeku president etwane yire kon no. Sa ba you away asamne beto ho a was okebi. Me abayo minimu no. I've never heard her name before. Minino Ghana. And I'm not a kid. I'm almost 50 years. Me when I felt also I surprised. Yeah. I am almost 50 years. And Chebia no me di 50 years. It me nya akwara me when I felt me hwe me husu ye me no ma peteshi. Anything I imagine say ana mo bi no mo kasa. Bogi se me sa. Me a small boy. Hwe na ma hwe me husu ye. And Chebia me di 50 years. Me kan asem we da. On say why surprised you are shocked. Enti girl we yesi a friend no Nana ya akunedu. Now me be bo insembia okaye. I'll respond to her. Now, Mama Ghana for what you maybe I say, I know a bit to us sometimes also Kevin Taylor, Eddie or Bartem. Kevin Taylor, I can say to your bar. I know what Busan was say. Another than me, Kevin Taylor, and Cassentia me your bar. And your bar. But I'll address some man way. Me pesa would hear in some can wo. Sa PeaceFM so. Now, there's a difference between threat and insult. So it's not radio, so not TV, so friend who journalist. Now onim the difference between threat and insulter or a Jimmy 4. Now let's listen to this man. Yeah, I will tell you why I'm addressing this issue.
TikTok so meti audio ni bi. Adene nyamumi enka no kresa nye na no papa ya ono edi nkrofo atamu a yesa ne ti ya wokoi de oyeye na ani tosam ode hotel baabi dwane hotel baabi oba fie gyan na mane ko ye hwe mane tokoso obi abeka se ono ye gyan na mane ko nti ono so ye but effect no wo ye society so no esosne on political enti muma yenye ahweye na yen calling nkrofo to order na yenyai oba besie bia na no kase wo bekum obi Meanwhile, obeshakra na bread knife kra wontumi emfa entwa akokoti. Na wako kasa by TikTok so a meti audio ni bi. Ade ne nyamome enka no krasa nye. Na no papa ya ono edi nkrofo atemu a yesa ne ti a wokoi. De oyeye na ani tosam. Ode kote baabi dwane kote baabi. Oba fie gyan na mane ko. Ye hwema ne tokoso obi abeka se ono ye gyan na mane ko nti ono so ye. But effect no wo ye society so no. Esosne on political. Enti muma yenye.
And in some way na man we yesi a friend no nana ya kunedu. Now MPP mwabi and I threaten president. MPP mwa criminals and I threaten president so coup president. Omu trap president yiriti. And we a threat. And we a threat on the life of the president and his wife. And they said it on social media. And all these people are over 18 years. Now, sa girl we are na funu se a bini bag. Na funu se a bini bag. Abetina radio say, eya brantia me didi obi atem. Me bese busa girl we are na funu se a bini bag say. Da ben na metina radio so didi or no natem. Na ninsam kikan mu no. O say me ba Ghana no ena omo gya me ma me kɔ ya sign me ti ma me kɔ sɛ wo ya santini a utia dua na wo ya oba a ondwonso mfa konkom na odwonso fa wase na wanum enye tan sɛ wase a wana mu ne gya ma me kɔ ye ada obi frem kɔ share dem no ka sɛ me nkɔ kwase aba obi frem me ba Ghana. I entered the Supreme Court and I court for na ka jem so mo gya me ma me kɔ ye. The ruling and the judgment is out. You calling yourself a journalist, go and read it. Was there any threat in that case? Edimiko P court no. Was there a threat in it? Why wafunu say bini bag? When num tantan say wase abuofunu. There's threats and there's insult. Me fa plain eba Ghana for lawyers ekojina Supreme Court at the respect my court no. Ono kwasi ati PeaceFM kase eno mugya me ma me koye na uti pen Supreme Court no why na wo ka asante kasa na kire no wafunu se ebini bag size B why na ogya me ma me koye. Do you know how much I spent on legal fees to get a lawyer to represent me in the Supreme Court of Ghana? So if you don't respect the Supreme Court, now why dream no jimi na wenum tantantan sa wase no sanka onim nyansa sanka obe ready a judgment no ebusa won say e dey na ba Kevin copy court. I was insulting, I wasn't threatening, and there's nowhere in the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana say wo our phone say bini bag me do whatever you can take me on in court as a criminal. Where Jimmy Kennedy Agyapong eka say medina tem wan fa mama court to America. He came to court. And I'm a wenum tantan sa wase abuofunu wafunu say bini bag Kennedy Agyapong ba America ha wan fa man court. Did I come to court? I represented in court. My lawyer I representee me spend over $200,000 to face Kennedy Agyapong in court. Kwasia we juma we bo jantra wenum kalas no wan $200,000 da. I met Kennedy in court because Kennedy said me dinner tem. Mention Kennedy wa court. Do you know how much money I spent? Mete America and a judge be say makase tia no. One kase ma threaten the life. Or say makase tia case or tiso. Your friend Supreme Court. Me ankasa na me fa me plane ticket, try me first class ticket. Me ne me yere ne member over $40,000. Kwasia. And I me ba Ghana. And I me fa lawyer 6. And I me rush Supreme Court. And I'm making me case mame. And at the Supreme Court, in their own wisdom and respect, they listened to my argument and said, yes, he can walk. Because judge in the decision no take it was wrong. Why when bagaya say ponkwa ya say ado kwasi abetna na abrante na ejare man koye no. Why na ejare me ma me koye? Huh? Why na wa Ghana ojare me ma me koye se me nko. Munya mun kwasi politics na mo ya. And I want to set record. This on record. So what Ghana now see me do atem. You want to sue me? You have every right to sue me. For 8 years, mini abema wafunu say bini bag for 8 years. Wafunu sa Asante for bentwa. Wafunu sa Asante for bentwa. Kwasia for 8 years. So obi say me dinatem etiamra ade ni para from Anko Court. For 8 good years, unkwasia party no power no. So obi say me dinatem na so ohwe se me bu Ghana mraso a ade na sandi pana am from Anko Gina Court say me dinatem. Na enkwasiafo we jimi a deal with their matter. What has it got to do with me? Ade me ba Ghana no obi di me ko gina office bi no ka say me ne obi na hye dem yesi me nko. Kwasiaba ummu court no unnim nyansa. Judgment me de ma o redi kwa wonte ase. Ade abodi PeaceFM o say journalism. Kwasifo. Ade na modi PeaceFM na mo ye no o say journalism. Say yesi ko kan we na we mu na omo ba ye no anopai na esuasua say we san kwasi ade na nya journalism. So free PeaceFM e yes na o kwa jinsa e de na betuma ye. Ha? Obetran say abrantie na oba ye no na okotete ye abuofunu mebo bra na obo jantra obantema. Mi si so mebo bra na wo kwasi aba na obo jantra obantema. Masa samu Jimmy no. Mon kwasi ade na abesi muso. Bo party ni free power na munyina madane mwa. Na mo kasa Jimmy mu no. Don't try me. Enye se memo akoma bontem. He, ubetuma betena sa de kankan na mutim se PeaceFM no. Abaye ho se wonte. Memo akoma bom na ate. We Jimmy. Imrante ni mama what social media say omubeku president. Omubeku president. Omubetwa ne yiriti. Nana do danko Akufo Addo sentence obi just sentence somebody just to allegedly say or plan say obeyeku yekohu kitchen knife ne asone ade Nana Akufo Addo ejeli nkofo for life kwasia wotena radios wan kasa mesi wanum tantan say wase aboa why wafunu say ebini bag size B abetena say dey and abrantie na Kwame that's why don't hold on for sikanje he Kwame that's why with all due respect me when I activate debia meka me I don't go. I go for the baby am moja ni free. So one kasa nkyere won twen na omguo na I will not go after them. I will come after you. Yeah. Kweku otin, kobusa Kweku otin. Me sa won kwasiafo omgugu PeaceFM no. If you don't speak to them. Nana no dan Akufo Addo. Ye ka say obi di kitchen knife. Aso ene bentwa Akufo Addo kasi amfa nkotum for life. Kwasi aba not PeaceFM or demonstration. Mon kwasi ade na muditi radio so no me. I'm not going to warn atchede aba we. I am going to send my message to Kwame despite massa. Una otia neka. Me besa me tia koma no baby amoja no kono de emfa me ho. So you have to talk to your pigs or PeaceFM because me menia so na me namo. Sa de we me see so ya me journalism me born din da. Me nimu nimpo. I don't know this piece of shit. Minimum ba mo hoti omukasa nyansem and I will never disrespect oba onim nyansa. Sankwasiafo e di omukwasi asem. Na so mo address them. I came to Ghana, I went to court, I hired lawyers, I dealt with the matter, I was in the Supreme Court, I showed the court respect. So be say me maka asem etia no na me di na tem no on tiasia. There's still the court there. 8 years. Ade na nkwasiafo manko court. So obi di obi atem na say eye boni ade na manko court. Mo jimi on mo fi na mo de gugu Ghana hodo no mukoko sa mo vocational school wie na yesi mo de mo voice pa na okodu nkan a Kwame that's why bebo mo akota radio so me enya me chiri na mo de be san kwasese no beba wo enya me dan achi e na wo de waforo na yesi bini bag na size B na de na na Ghana wonum tantan say wase abuofunu. Come and retract that statement. Do you know I can even take you on? Who are you referring to? One tia santin chen obi a o. Wonum na etan a enchese wonim nyansa chen obi a. Omo mama me koye na hwana mo ne ja me mama koye. Be church akasa nim. Do you respect the court? Such a filthy dirty thing. My mu hu fi na mo ne nam Ghana ho. Huh? Why are you referring me to a matter that does not concern me? They are all over 18 years. So why are you bringing me in? Why are you putting me in there? Why are you putting me in there? What have I got to do with Nkwasiafo Omdidi? Omdidi president, attempts on president. What have I got to do with it? Am I the only person who has insulted in Ghana Kwasiaba? Am I the only person? Oh, who feels up off it? I bet now Brantena Omujano Mamkoye. Can you insult a judge? If you can insult a judge. Kennedy Agyapong and Asefo, Kwasiado me no Ghana. What's that on a mubube? Muhu fin. Hey, some what to sa. Na mo asesu sa. Mo mpe bucket is being got no. Na me ma charge na me na mo. Some asesu sa. Some ase esu sa. Mo mpe 34 bucket being got na so. Me ma bodamo. And intina for some time I don't entertain animals like you people. My job here is to teach Ghanaians, educate Ghanaians, tell Ghanaians the truth for them to believe in the government and do their bit, for the government to do its bit for her to build this nation. Me need time. Into when I'm are you talking to the judges? Mr. Nanaya Kunedu, are you talking to the judges? Oh, really? So when I come right now to take you to court for you to prove to the judges, can you explain that? Radio so anyhow. Yes, a Kevin the deal about them. When you tantansa was say. Wafunu say bini bag abet now and a brantie ya or buy ya. What time kwabroche now ukuna odin the cheap and just say bola bed and now who know. Huh? Draw smooth thing. Munya monsamoka, don't reference me. So be Ghana, no see me dinner tem. Now Oshan say etiamra on family court. You are not the one to refer because as some see them me din kan. Omo TikTok, omo Jimmy Amon, I wasn't there. Omo finances anko for no, and then the omo di omo police station no. It is ankamu nyansa. Ankamu so make say politicians omo di sankwase for the police station. Eko beli omo no. Why don't you have a problem with those politicians? Moyan kwase afo ntia asante sem na di mutrim e omo kwase PeaceFM nti. You cannot ask a relevant question. Abrantie ne so obetwa president ti e on the platform so. Omo beku president. Obi akosi santua begu social media ne ache omo a. Also busa wo say why na kodi aginemu me yi omo. Nipa na okodi aginemu me yi omo no one na ye problem no. Nipa na okoye surety one na oba say one na obedi aginemu me yi nipa na why so beku president na yire no. Those are the people you question. Why wo tan say bentwa abetena we kan kwase asem e na brantie no ye gya na ma ne koye no. Why na gya me ma be koye? Adam me buy no obi ehumi o court. Didn't you fucking see me in the Supreme Court? Now then, Supreme Court no, uti penny omo. Unimum writing court for no. Let me play the audio again for you to listen. Kwasiaba.
Muti TikTok swa. Miti audio ni bi. Ade ne nyamumi anka no krasa nye. Na no papa ya ono edi nkrofo atemu a yesa ne ti ya wokoi. De oye ye na ani tosam. Ode ko te baabi dwane ko te baabi. Oba fie gyan na mane ko. Ye shema ne tokoso obi abeka se ono ye jana ma ne konti ono so ye but effect no wo ye society
be fie jama me ko kwasiaba ukuru dem na ba no jama me ko ye Jimmy Fuoba. You don't respect the court, right? Why in the jama me ko ye? You don't even respect the court. Also en some journey kwasiaba tantan sana me en some journey. O sorry ne ye yiwi ga hihya wo hu nyina firi ho a o kyan dua wo gira we untumi fa wo nan on sansi fom ya ka se kuntumu fa on sansi fom a untumi fa on sansi fom why say banchi boto kwasiaba why na jama me ko ye why na ukunu ne mpana na oti race course no ukunu mpana na oti labadi no ono na jama me ko ye wo jima me akoma bo wo jima me akoma bo. Me, I was hiding somewhere. Na metite baby or chamber. Me na metite baby. Baby na metite. Huh? Me ba kromu ha police che me organa ho. Kwasiafo na me de bia maka me se mo nya me target o. Kwa me that spite no. So we ntu no hofo. Na wan fa nipa ambegu ni radio no so a ebe fono no. Me show no respect for a long time. Mo CEO kwa me that spite no. Masa obi ani Ghana no huni asemo. I am saying this on authority. And I'm going to say this again. Obi ani Ghana onam ho ne ho ni asem. Samo pese ye bodama. Baby amuji mu pay free me cut no off. Me samo pese mu se ma bodama. Baby amu draw mo salary no me cut no. And I know how to do it. Obi ani Ghana we finchimo. Fefe na efe se oba akomirika do kutare nufu. Ebuo de ma nipa bi. Na mo me ye change gears a ye nyina ye ho be tan. Dia minimu no sense eri bi na wunima anka wo draws anka watete to de abo hwinim abofunu mi tu kwan me mabafi o utu kwan oba wa funu se e bini bag abetena ho and abrantie no. This is your last warning. Me ti mi din wo wonum biem. Mema chima wo radio so. Me say, and I'm sending this message to your husband. Me say, this should be your last warning. Me ti wo din wo wanu biem. And I'm sending this message to your CEO.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.